Content creating is probably everything these days. I know na kakabili nyo yung bagong iPhone 14 series and hawak ko dito right now is my all new na iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I'll be taking your vlogging experience to a whole new level using some of the gears na nabili ko from Smallrig. Don't go away, pakita ko sa inyo. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So I have here dalawang attachment that I have from Smallrig. The two of this one will enhance your vlogging experience and take it to a whole new level, more of a professional level. And I have here is the Vibe P108 RGB na video light. It's a pretty new na product. And I can say that this one is something na you would need if you want to enhance content lighting, lalo na kung if you want to put some RGB lights into this one. If you want to set the tone, the mood, I think this one is a good attachment. And of course, meron tayo all new na mobile video cage kit na dual handheld for iPhone 14 Pro Max na ginawa also ni Smallrig. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-attach to. No? So, the features dito, it enhance your filming session, it is expandable, as well as it's wireless. Buksan natin. Smallrig, dream big. So we have the cage inside here. You know, pag gumawa ng product si Smallrig, it's always really something na pagmamalaki mo. This is made out of really light material from aluminum metal. So this one, for sure, sturdy to. And I'm pretty sure this one is a very sturdy material. On the second box, we have all of the connectors. Everything you need para ikabit yung cage. And on the third box, we have your side handles. And what's really nice, meron pa siyang USB Type-C port dito. Next one is buksan natin itong RGB lights ni Smallrig. And sabi na dito, it has 108 pieces of full color na beads, unique compass dimmer, it's very lightweight at 103 grams, and meron siyang 2,500 mAh na battery. Charging cables, and of course, yung RGB lights natin na pwede natin kabit dito sa cage. So it's easy to operate. Buksan mo lang power, then you can calibrate the colors here. Depende sa need nyo, no? You can put some blinkers if you want. You can set the color. Okay, so yeah, right now we're on green, then blue, then just play with the scroll wheel. Okay, we have purple, have orange, okay, and we have this one. So we have our LED indicator here at the back. This is para sa battery level. So right now, ikakabit muna natin itong side handles natin. Then ita-tighten lang natin yung screw. Pwede mo i-adjust yung level mo kung saan na gusto before you lock it. I-adjust tong level niya, no, ng handle and adjust it to the height na gusto mo. But ako, I suggest put it in the middle. Make sure to level them both bago mo i-lock in second. Press ito eject button para bukas yung cage niya. Then, of course, insert your phone. Carefully. Then, snap. It's locked. Next is to mount this screw. Do the same on the other side. And there you go. Now for the final touch, lagyan na natin itong ilaw. So you can use this as your wireless shutter. So hindi mo na kailangan touch yung screen mo for record or just simply shuttering. So next is to turn on the lights. So let's say na gusto ko a little bit more on the blue side. So in order to connect, piliin nyo lang to Smallrig na SRWR02 para dito sa remote shutter. So every time that I press this button, mag-shoot siya. Okay? So effortless din dito taking video. Pressing it will record and pressing it again will stop the record. And so guys, that's it for the Smallrig na cage as well as yung RGB lights niya. This one will definitely enhance your way of taking vlogs outdoors. Lalo pag ganito, no? Very steady, very sturdy. Kahit pasmado ka, okay lang naman. Walang problema, no? And this one can definitely give you a very good panning, especially when you're walking. Let's say, recording video ng yung kids while they're walking on their first step or your pets. I think this one is simply perfect. So guys, I know that there's a promotion ongoing kay Smallrig. Check it on the description box below. And if you want to know kung saan na pwede mabili ito, link on the description. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na yung bell icon para hindi nyo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?